Hey guys, in this video, let's talk about why run Facebook ads, why choose Facebook ads as your ad platform over Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other ad platform that's out there. So number one reason, the first reason we want to run Facebook ads is because it has the most number of user data. So when you're running a campaign on an ad platform, you need to know how much data that platform has or its algorithm actually has about your target audience. We know that Facebook's one of the oldest social media platforms and it's been there the most. So we know that by default, Facebook has the most number of user data. So when you're creating your ad campaign, you're actually giving your campaign to the ad platform that runs that campaign through an algorithm. And if the algorithm has a lot of data, the campaign will definitely perform better. The second reason is it's less expensive. So if you were to start with Google PPC or any kind of Google ad is really expensive comparing to Facebook. You'd have to have at least somewhere between $3,000 to $7,000 a month budget just to get started. And I'm not talking about scaling. Where in Facebook, you could even start with $1,000 a month to $1,500 a month, and you'll start generating leads from day one or day two. Easier to scale. So that's one of the other reasons. Facebook ad account lets you create campaigns in such a way that it's really easier to scale, especially if you want to apply more budget, if you want to apply more ads, more variations. It lets you, do it in such an easy way that's it's very easy for you to scale. The fourth reason is you're advertising on Instagram as well. I don't know if you know it, but Instagram is actually a part of Facebook. It's been there. It's been a part of Facebook for so long. And when you're advertising on Facebook, you're actually by default advertising on Instagram as well. There are ways you can stop that, but it's good to know that there's another platform I can advertise on without any extra effort. The last one is it's really easy to learn if you put some effort to it, of course. If you don't put such an effort, anything is difficult, right? So those are the reasons that you should advertise on Facebook. In the next video, we are gonna look into how the ads campaign, how everything works in Facebook in terms of running ads. See you in the next one.